So, hello everyone, I'm Jonathan Atkinson.
And I'm Fiona Murray.
We're from Fiserv, and basically today we're going to be talking about our innovation which we label Mobility Master Wallet. Okay, so what's the problem we're trying to solve? The world of mobile payments is increasing and evolving at a tremendous pace. And one of the dilemmas financial institutions have is whether to actually launch their own wallets or whether to participate in third-party wallets. So our view is basically that consumers will will decide the outcome of this dilemma. It's consumers that will decide what wallets they use and how they use them. So this makes the challenge and opportunity for a bank threefold. Firstly, the bank will want to ensure that their cards are top of wallet in order to maximize transactional revenue. They'll also want to make sure that their mobile banking application is used by the consumer and it forms the centerpiece of the consumer's digital banking experience in order to increase retention and customer loyalty. And finally, they'll want to make sure that they have the relevant support tools in place to support and care for their customer in order to protect their valuable brand and market reputation. So we are going to show you today, we're going to start the demonstration with our out-of-the-box Android app. And we're going to show you how to add a card to an existing wallet and to change certain preferences associated with that card in the wallet. So we log into our mobile banking app using our credentials. Now these may be shared with the online channel or may be unique to the mobile channel. And then we will basically retrieve a list of accounts that we're registered to, and we'll select the checking account or the current account. Select the spanner icon, which is the tools menu, and then Mobility retrieves all cards associated with that account and all wallets that are available for that account in a given jurisdiction. Obviously, the list of wallets will depend on the availability of NFC services, the availability of public APIs, etc. So we select to add the cards to a given wallet, and we have to authorize and verify ourselves against the wallet's service and accept the terms of service. And then once we've done that, basically the card has now been added to the wallet. So what we then have to do is we go back to the tools menu, and we go to add, we go to activate the card in the wallet, as being shown. Now we can also set a transaction limit on that card, obviously within the velocity rules set by the bank. So we'll use $25 as an example. And then we will select what type of transactions we will allow this card to be used for. So basically that's it. The card has now been added to the wallet, and of course you can go back at any time to change any of those preferences. And indeed you can remove the card from the wallet if you're unhappy with the service in some way. So beyond adding a card and setting these preferences, there is also other peripheral services that the customer might want to control. We will just use the example where available for a wallet, the setup of alerts. So this time we select the bell icon, and we will just set a card-based alert that every time we make a transaction over $10, we will receive an alert. And Mobility will deliver this alert via SMS, email, or push notification. So beyond the mobile banking app, and a reason a lot of our customers choose Mobility is the fact that we provide, and there are over 1,200 implementations, incidentally, across 5 continents, but basically we provide the tools in order to help the bank control the channel and just control the end-to-end capability. So we're showing you Customer Manager, which is our CRM tool. Now, for example, a customer might phone up to say that they've actually lost their device, and then in this context, we will, the customer services representative would verbally authenticate the customer, and then search for the customer via their customer number, their mobile phone number, or their email address. And then they can see what services they are currently enrolled to, and of course they can actually add or enroll the customer for additional services or deregister them for services. They can additionally see the transaction history associated with that customer on the mobile channel, and they can choose to suspend either the user or an individual device, which in this context is probably the course of action to take. They can additionally go to see what cards they've got and what wallets those cards are registered to, and they can set certain preferences associated with that. So another tool that we supply out of the box is something called Control Center, and this is used by IT support personnel to basically manage configurations, set risk and security parameters, diagnose incidents, and report and analyze. And in this context, we can create a report associated with the card subscriptions on that channel. So basically, Fiserv Mobility and Mobility Master Wallet delivers the three things that banks want to do, and that's to maximize transactional revenue by ensuring the card is top of wallet. It makes sure that the mobile banking app is the centerpiece of the consumer's banking experience to increase customer retention, and it provides the necessary control tools to the bank in order to protect their brands and their market reputation. So it's beyond these individual innovations. I mean, Fiserv, obviously, we showcased P2P last year, Mobility Master Wallet this year, and we can bring all these innovations into seamless user experience. So if you're thinking about mobile banking, please come and see us. Thank you.